Alright, here are 6 practice problems on linear equations in one variable. I do have the answer key posted in the description, and it also has the explanations and all of that. So if you want to just work ahead and not follow the video, you can go right ahead. Starting off, question number 1. How many solutions does the equation have? Now, if you were to actually distribute this all out, you would eventually find out that they're the exact same equation, but that takes a whole lot of math and like thinking and time. So I'm gonna do, just put it in desmos, alright? This side, that's gonna be your first row, and this side is gonna be your second row. So just the left and right sides of the equal sign. So 10 times 15x minus 9, and negative 15 times 6 minus 10x. And if we go ahead and look here, wow, they're the same line. That's crazy, man. So if you remember, if they're the same line, that means they have infinite solutions. So our answer is C. Question number 2. We have this equation right here. In the given equation, k is a constant. The equation has no solution. What is the value of k? So if you remember, equations that have no solution will have the same slopes. So all we gotta do is set these slopes equal to each other. Now unfortunately, this slope right here on the left side is protected by some parentheses, so we do have to distribute and do some math. Oh, what a shame. Alright, so there we go. 3 times kx is just 3kx, plus 3 times 13, which is 39, is equal to 48 over 17x plus 36. Now the slopes are just the numbers before the x, so here we have 3k is equal to 48 over 17. Now, all we gotta do is get k by itself, and we're gonna do that by dividing both sides by 3. And now, let me put this in desmos. So I'm gonna do parentheses 48 slash, and that's how you get the divide sign by clicking the backslash, 17. And then I'm gonna close that parentheses, and I'm gonna click the slash again to do another divide, and divide it by 3. Now you are gonna get this super long and nasty looking fraction, but well, nasty looking decimal, sorry. I was thinking ahead of myself. But if you want to turn that into a fraction, all you gotta do is click the fraction button here on the left, and you get 16 over 17. So k is equal to 16 over 17. Kaboom. Question number 3. In the given equation, k and n are constants and n is greater than 1. The equation has no solution. What is the value of k? So this is just going to be like number 2, and the equation has no solution, so we set the slopes equal to each other because they should have the same slopes. Dang, they just had to go and put parentheses again and now have to multiply everything by 2? Oh no. Alright, 2kx minus 2n is equal to negative 28 over 15x minus 36 over 19. Okay, I'm so sorry about this handwriting. Alright, anyways, our slopes are going to be the numbers before the x. So here it's 2k equal to negative 28 over 15. Same thing just like last time, we're going to divide everything by 2 to get k by itself. And let's go ahead and put that in decimals. So, negative 28 divided by 15, and then divide that by 2. And we're gonna get another nasty decimal, but if we click this left fraction again, it will turn it into a fraction for us. So k is equal to negative 14 over 15. Question number 4. We have this equation right here. What value of t is the solution to the given equation? Alright, this one's gonna be so light, bro. Just plug that entire thing into desmos. Let's go! So, 5t plus 3 minus 7t plus 3. Oh shoot. Okay, well, looks like you have to substitute t with x, so go ahead and change that t to an x. And then equals 38. And we can see that it's going to be negative 22. So t equals negative 22. Just like that. Or of course, you could put this equals 38 on a second row. But if you put 30 by itself, it's not going to work. So you do have to put y equals in front of it. And then we see the x value is once again negative 22. Question number 5. This equation right here. In the given equation, p is a constant. The equation has no solution. What is the value of p? Now if you notice, this equation does look a little bit different because they don't have like the plus 25x on the right side. So we're going to do this question a little bit differently. All we have to do is move this entire thing in one row and put this entire thing in the other row. So negative 3x plus 21px and then y equals 84. Now you're going to notice it's going to make you add this slide right here, and you're going to do that. So go ahead and click on that. And now all we have to do is start plugging in these answer choices. So p equals 0. Nope, it still has an intersection. That's not 0 solutions. 1 over 7. And if you look now, yeah, I don't know what happened to the line, but well, there's no solution, so oh wait, it's right here. Oh my goodness, I'm like blind. Okay, so you can see there's the line right here, and there's the other, and here's y equals 84. These two are parallel lines, so our answer will be 1 over 7. Let's continue trying the rest though, just for funsies. 4 over 3, it has an intersection, that's not no solutions. And then 4, it also has an intersection, so it's not going to be 4 either. Alright, I did just say this question is a little bit different than the other ones we've been doing because there's no x, like this x value, on the right side. But if you really wanted to do it like we've been doing for the past few questions, all you have to do is move this x value on over. Of course you can move 21px if you wanted to, I just moved this one because it's already negative. So it would look like 21px is equal to 84 plus 3x. Now all we have to do is set the slopes equal to each other. So 21p is equal to 3. Divide the entire thing by 21. And we get that p is equal to, give me a second, 3 divided by 21. We have an ugly decimal, but we can change that to a fraction. 1 over 7. So we still get the exact same answer. It's just up to you what method you're more comfortable with and which one you want to use to solve. Question number 6, the very last one. I know this one was really short, but you can see all these questions are super easy because all you have to do is plug it in desmos. No shame in being a desmos crutch, alright? Whatever gets you to score. Anyways, if this equation, the value of x plus 6 is between which of the following pairs of values? So if we want to find x plus 6, first thing I'm going to do is find out what x is. So x, hold on. I have to put the division symbol first by clicking backslash. So x plus 6, and then 3, and then x plus 6. Why is that at capital? What the? Okay, there we go. X plus 6 and 13. Now let's find what the value of x is, and it's going to be negative 6. So let me write that down. X is equal to negative 6. What's x plus 6? So I wonder what negative 6 plus 6. Well, x plus 6 is equal to 0. So now we just have to find is 0 in between. So is 0 in between negative 7 and negative 3? No. Is 0 in between negative 2 and 2? Yeah. Is 0 in between 2 and 7? No. Is 0 between 8 and 13? No. So our answer is B. Now I'm sure since it's like said x plus 6 on top here, you could like probably use some other method to find the answer, but this one is like super straightforward and easy for me. So this is what I'm gonna use, but whatever works for you, works for you.